What's up guys, this is Masi, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to name this organic compound. As you see here we have a ring, and this ring has 5 carbons here. So let's number this carbon. So we need to start from here. Why? Because if you start from here, hydroxyl group is gonna get the lowest number. So we can have 1. Should we start from this side or this side? Definitely we need to start from this side because we have methyl in here. 2, 3, 4, and 5. So the name will be 2-methyl cyclopentene 1-ol, or you can say 2-methyl cyclopent 3-in-1-ol. That's going to be another name of this organic compound. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and have a great day.